can save millions of dollars on your next mega construction project. Difficult to believe? Well, here's the proof. A renowned engineering and construction company in Middle East partnered with Hitech on a multi-million-dollar airport construction project. The business need was to minimize MEP conflicts to reduce rework, save on project costs and complete the construction before the scheduled inauguration date. The Hitech MEP team of 22 certified engineers and technicians put in place an MEP project coordination plan. Electrical, plumbing and HVAC 2D drawings were thoroughly reviewed and then converted into detail-rich 3D MEP models, which accounted for spatial dimensions, scheduling and quantity takeoffs. But that was just a part of the job done. The construction project was already underway and architectural and structural elements were being designed and modeled by multiple stakeholders. This in effect meant uncoordinated project with no sync. Multiple discussions, understanding and documenting of the schedules and timelines of other disciplinary activities followed. The MEP model was then integrated with architectural and structural drawings to create a coordinated, information-rich 3D BIM model in Revit. The coordinated BIM model was then exported into Navisworks. Clash detection reports identified and helped resolve clashes across disciplines. Hitech's collaborative project delivery approach ensured accurate MEP installation, zero change orders, on-time project completion, $7 million cost savings in 6 months. Save time, money and efforts. Resolve space and design conflicts across disciplines. Get in touch with us today.